Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale women's health with care.com detailed guide step by to effectively scale women's health services on care.com. Start by identifying your target audience. Research the specific needs and preferences of women within your community. Next, create a comprehensive profile on care.com that highlights your expertise in women's health. Include relevant certifications, experience, and any specialized training you have completed. Make use of high-quality photographs that represent your services and facilities. Consider offering free introductory consultations to attract potential clients. Use care.com's features to promote your unique services, such as personalized health plans or wellness workshops. Engage with users by responding promptly to inquiries and offering valuable health tips. Utilize care.com's scheduling tools to streamline appointment bookings and reminders. Regularly update your profile with testimonials from satisfied clients to build credibility. Network with other health professionals on the platform to expand your referral base. Take advantage of care.com's marketing resources to boost your visibility. Host virtual workshops or health webinars to educate and connect with your audience. Be proactive in asking clients for feedback to improve your services continuously. Monitor industry trends and adapt your offerings to meet changing demands. Utilize care.com's analytics to track your service performance and adjust your strategy accordingly. Stay connected with your clients beyond appointments through newsletters or follow-up communications. Invest in ongoing education to stay current in women's health topics and services. Finally, develop partnerships with local organizations to enhance community outreach and support services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.